The innovative soft-close Flexi-Fix toilet seat collection from Croydex is easy to install and never slips. Our patented Flexi-Fix hinge design allows for a wide range of adjustability that ensures the seat always aligns with your toilet pan. The seat hinges also feature collapsible supports to hold them away from the bowl while you position the seat. Applying pressure secures the sticky grip pads in place, ensuring the seat never slips. With both top and bottom fix hinge fittings included, our Flexi-Fix seats are flexible and easy to install. All Flexi-Fix soft-close toilet seats feature a quick release button so the seat can be removed from the hinges for easy cleaning. For quick and easy installation and in a range of styles to suit your bathroom, choose Croydex Flexi-Fix soft-close toilet seats. Croydex. Think bathrooms.